My name's Chelsea Kovacs. I'm the Director of Business Development over here at SFC Energy Canada. If you're not familiar with SFC Energy, what we do is we help the industrial marketplace transition away from emission-producing power generation and over to clean technology. How we do that is through fuel cell technology. We offer two different power platforms. The first one is going to be our EFOY direct methanol fuel cell. Second one is going to be our EFOY hydrogen fuel cell. When you reach out to us for power for your remote application, the first thing that we're going to want to do is understand what the application is. What's the use case? Do you need the ability to move this system around, or is it a long-term permanent installation? The more we know, the better suited we are to provide you with a full turnkey package. In our product portfolio, we offer a range of stationary cabinets, and then we get into semi-permanent installations. That could be a Pro Energy box. And then we have our fully mobile systems, and that looks like a Pro trailer. Our Pro cabinet is the ideal solution when you need a permanent power source. Different industries have different needs. A couple of examples of how you can use an EFOY Pro cabinet solution are in the oil and gas industry. On a midstream application, maybe we're powering a valve actuation system, cathodic protection. Upstream, maybe we're powering SCADA and control, chemical injection. Then you look at telecommunications, repeater networks, and the mining industry uses us for various applications. For the most part, a lot of it is telecommunications. Then environmental monitoring, traffic engineering, really the sky's the limit. The Pro cabinet is designed to be a turnkey energy solution. It's going to be everything that you need to get your site up and running. Depending on how much power you require, this could look like 45 watts, scaling up to 125 watts, 250, and even 500 watts of power. What's unique about our Pro Energy cabinet is these have been designed thinking about the environmental extremes where you're going to be installing these solutions. This might look like extreme cold in the Arctic Circle. This could look like extreme heat in somewhere like Texas, for example. One added benefit of our Pro Energy solution is we have the ability to customize and integrate your own equipment depending on the application. For our oil and gas producers, methane abatement is a hot topic. Right now, we're looking for different solutions to help meet regulatory compliance and reduce your emissions whenever possible. A couple of different examples of strategies on how to do this is well site electrification or instrument air. The beautiful thing about our EFOY fuel cell is we're compatible with both methodologies. The industrial marketplace is challenged with reducing emissions wherever possible. At SFC Energy, we provide innovative fuel cell solutions that help you meet your corporate ESG goals without sacrificing operational efficiency. One example of this is switching over to a direct methanol fuel cell offers a 99% reduction in carbon emissions compared to your typical diesel generator. When you're looking for a permanent power solution, consider the EFOY fuel cell.